the fucking Czech Republic. I cannot lose it to Czech Republic, bro.
He'll be breathing a sigh of relief. Ball one. Bruno Fernandes has it. Can he find the right pass? Leao. And back with Bruno Fernandes.
Oh my God.
Good challenge.
I'm not losing the fucking to Czech Republic.
Piece of running. And the keeper's technical skills.
Come on, Chad, turn me out.
That close in. That's a really good save. Such good reflexes.
Oh, good save. Excellent header. Well, it's still good.
Turn me out.
And a good take.
We cannot lose.
There. Otavio. Bruno Fernandes has it. Cristiano Ronaldo. Crossing opportunity. Otavio. This could level it. Oh, blocked it.
Come on.
Top class defending.
No, do not fucking sail. It's the real fucking deal.
David Dudera.
Come on, Speed. Oh.
And in with a real chance. And there it is. A 2-goal cushion now. And they just need to keep the concentration.
No way, we're not even gonna make it out the fucking group stages, bro.
Well,
not even the group stages.
And the outcome was never really in doubt. He never looked like missing that.
Oh.
Possession given away, unfortunately. Lukasz Sadilek. Well, no stopping him. Into the middle from Bernardo Silva. Can he fire it towards goal?
Oh my God!
In difficult circumstances. Klojek. A glorious chance. And hitting it from close.
Oh,
In the way.
Well, from that sort of distance, he has to score there.
No, it's not. Fuck up, man.
Pepe. It's with Joao Cancelo. Palinha.
I just gotta lock in, bro.
Diogo Dalot. Well, the precision was lacking. Throw in coming up.
Niggas need to eat food. But that's the fucking ball, right? This the fucking Euros. We're now the last fucking year, bro.
Ondřej Linger. Čvančara. Ronaldo. Well, they couldn't keep hold of it.
Oh my God, dude. You gotta be shitting me, bro.
Vitic.
Oh my God.
Oh, moving it nicely. He continues his run. Opportunity. Well, how close was that?
Come on, Chad. We're only down 2-0, bro.
Otavio. Good high press. Rafael Leao. Fernandes. Can he put it away? Ronaldo.
What? Shit!
And that, a piece of goalkeeping you're going to see again and again and again.
What the hell?
And a short corner, let's see. Leao.
Oh my God.
And he stopped them in their tracks.
Dude. Game is so stupid, bro.
Dudera. David Dudera. Very alert defending to cut off the supply. Ronaldo.
Go, Ronaldo, go, 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 go!
Ronaldo striding forward with confidence.
What is that touch?
Defending to stop them.
Bruno!
Adam Hrojek. This looks promising. Superbly read and executed. Racing forward, trying to catch them out. Lovely ball over the top. Oh, commanding goalkeeping.
Come on! We got it! Come on! We got a Portugal!
Short corner it is. Pepe. Diogo Dalot on the ball.
Bro, what are you
They've
doing?
regained possession.
Bro, I swear on my life. What is these niggas doing, bro? He is selling me, man!
Time whistle.
Oh my god!
GIGANIGA donated $1. Nigga 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 nigga.
And back underway. There can be no denying it. There was a big gulf between the sides in the first half. Will we see a response from Portugal in the second? Delightful pass. Oh, could be. And a goal! He's put it away. A celebratory moment. Krejci. Ondřej Linger. Read it superbly to take back possession. And a quick reminder, we have plenty of live football in store for you right here on EA TV.
That looks a really entertaining game. Two good teams with two excellent coaches. I can't wait for that one to come round.
Palinha.
Like, what is the... This game is ass, bro. No way I just lost the fucking groups.
Tomasz Holeš. Czerny. Will it happen for them? Coming up here.
God damn, bruh!
And deciding to go short with this one. Is it going to be? Looked like a certain goal, but that's a great challenge.
Like, look at this shit. Why is he on my...
Here's Ronaldo.
Alright.
Well, it's just about a case of wall-to-wall football live with us.
Derek, he's got to tuck this away.
What?
Defending. The net is steering him.
Yes! Yes!
They've done it.
Two more goals! Two more goals! Believe in a comeback! Believe in a comeback! Believe in a comeback!
Well, just look at his movement.
Believe in a comeback!
And it's also a tight...
Believe in a comeback! Believe in it!
So there it is, 3-1 the current...
Believe in a comeback!
And the advantage accrues to the attacking side. Hrojek. Able to skip past his man. Will he finish? It's gone in! And well, he might celebrate.
I can't,
on
bro.
the back of that.
Shit's ass, bro.
Well, not too much defending going on in the grand scheme of things. 4-1.
Going against fucking... Shit is so stupid, bro.
Well, the timing was perfect. Ball one.
Shit is so stupid, bro.
Linger. Leao. Well, he really read that brilliantly.
Damn, bro.
Krejci. Ondřej Linger. David Dudera. Sadilek. Very comfortable when in possession. Lukasz Sadilek.
Why are you playing like this?
Flojek. Just the challenge that was required. Now counter-attacking possibilities. And Bernardo Silva has it. Can they take advantage of the situation?
Yeah, yes!
Fabulous goal. And just look.
2 more goals! 2 more goals!
Current scoreline 4-2.
I can win, bro.
Vitic spraying passes.
I can
around,
win.
waiting for the opposition to make a mistake.
Come on, I need 1 more goal. Come on, 1 more goal, bro. 1 more goal, dog. 1 more. That's all I need is 1 more.
Could play it in.
Who is this number 9, nigga? He playing like he fucking Ronaldo. Who the fuck is that?
It's absolutely remarkable.
Who is this nigga?
These were brilliant there.
Well, good defending, clattered out of there. Bruno Fernandes has it. 10
Yes.
minutes left for play.
Yes. Boy, I did not no.
End product.
They just sold me. I did not pass it to him.
This is looking threatening. But quick thinking defensively. Cristiano Ronaldo. Bernardo Silva. He must finish. Well,
That's some
I think
bullshit,
we were
bro.
expecting a much better
That's some bullshit, bro.
He has to score, really. That was a great opportunity.
I needed that one, bro. I really did need that one, bro. I needed that one bad, bro. They sold me, man. This some bullshit, bro. No, I lost the fucking Czech Republic, bro.
Krejci.
I lost the fucking Czech.
Polish. Well, keeping the ball.
What is this shit?
Is helping the cause. Sadilek.
Czech Republic. Are you serious, bro?
Joao Cancelo. Just 1 minute of stoppage time. Say the
Like,
official.
look! He not even like that IRL. I will beat his ass.
Ondřej Linger.
This team does not play like this IRL.
Well, this hasn't gone Portugal's way. Not at all what they